Hi class, today I want to tell you how to get into a Zoom meeting. First, go to hccs.edu and go into My Eagle Student Sign-ins. Next, Eagle Online Canvas. Here you'll put in your HCC email address and your password, and you will log in. Open one of your classes in Dashboard. Open our class in Dashboard. And you'll see the menu here. Go to Zoom Meeting. Click on the link. Open in New tab. Now you'll click Open Zoom. Join with computer audio. I'm going to expand the screen, and I'm now in the meeting, except, the instructor has to invite you, so it may take a minute for them to click on. But at this point, you'll be entering the meeting. Down on the lower left, you can either use this to unmute the video, and you'll be able to see yourself and be able to speak. If I click on the mute button with the microphone and click on it to mute it, then you won't be able to hear me. For example, I'm speaking now and you can't hear me. Now, so I unmute the microphone to be heard, and I unmute the video camera to be seen. Okay, so every day that we have class, come to class a few minutes early and open the Zoom meeting. Wait for me to invite you to join, and then we'll begin class. Okay, thank you very much.